Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we're gonna cover how to create a safety plane for your robot. To create a safety plane, first we need to generate our plane first. So let's go into General, Coordinate, and then we'll create a simple plane for a robot. If you don't know how to create a plane, you can watch another tutorial video dedicated on generating a plane. Right here, we're just gonna do a very fast creation of a plane. And this will represent a wall or a safety fence on the right of the robot. Once we're done, we can go back to safety and go into planes. We'll add a safety plane, we can rename it, and we're gonna copy the coordinate of the plane that we just make and create a safety plane that way. You can also displace the safety plane by the direction that it's pointing in. So maybe I want to split it like 100 millimeter. You can see that it changes the position. You can also restrict the elbow and have an inverse direction for the plane. For a type of restriction, there are a couple options that you can choose from. And these are all based on the type of collision setting that you set in the general to collision setting. So disable, as the name suggests, you don't trigger the safety plane anymore. And then normal and reduce, when you select these options, the safety plane, a robot will only trigger the safety plane or touches the safety plane when it's in normal mode or reduced mode. You can also choose both. So the robot will hit the safety plane and trigger the collision, no matter which mode that you select into. And finally, you can set it to trigger reduced mode. So this works in normal mode, and then if you touch the safety plane, you can set maybe like a different, like a slower tool speed for a tool, and then have a different type of joint limits or joint speed limits for a reduced mode. And then once you go past this safety plane, and maybe there are operators behind the safety plane, the robot will move slower and a little bit safer for your operators. And once you're satisfied with your configuration, make sure to hit apply, and then you'll have to restart the robot for the effects for the safety plane to take effect. And that's how you create and put in a safety plane for your robot. Thank you for watching.